Chev, you ready for block 2?
I'm ready. I'm gonna throw more than one full batter.
Can we make a bet on block 2?
Yeah, what do you want to bet?
Dinner.
We're going about the same.
Dinner.
Dinner? Alright. Dinner. I'm not changing wrist tape, should I?
Yeah, I just gotta get that bad juju off of me.
Yeah. I think it was the clips. The clips got us.
We were just too
Wasn't here
excited
yet.
for it.
So excited.
Saw the eclipse.
Yeah, and now we're just like new guys. I'm gonna have a good like 250 overblock here. What do you say?
I'm gonna make as many good shots and good reads as I can.
Yeah.
My game plan is to go harder and straighter this block, probably 2 or 3 further left with the arrows, and up the ball speed by about a mile an hour. I'm gonna like huck it down there pretty good.
I think I'm gonna try to do the same thing I did, but I'm gonna throw my 16 pounder. I think it'll go through the pins a little better.
I'm here for it.
I was in the same zone that like the lefties that bowled good struck. I just didn't quite strike enough.
I was a little further right than them. Well, it's hard because Justin Knowles was way further right than me.
Yeah.
But Russo was
He was throwing it harder than
left.
he usually does.
Russo was further left than me.
Yeah.
Russo was throwing it harder than he usually does, and so was Knowles. Knowles' ball was just hooking so much.
I think you're right. I think you can just get closer to him and throw it harder.
I'm gonna go further left and chuck it, and if it doesn't look good, I know
go back
my
to
other
where you're
game
at.
plan already is decent
Yeah.
because I hit the pocket every shot for 4 straight games.
Right.
There help.
All right, so overall on Cheetah, I bowled okay. I bowled better, about 200 over each block, the second and third block. I just got off to such a slow start. However, with that, I'm still in really good position for the overall World Championship cut. So the World Series is broken up into 3 smaller tournaments, which is the Cheetah, the Scorpion, and the Shark. And then they have the overall cut, which is the World Championships. And that one is a top 16 that they cut to. So I'm in 25th overall. Cheetah was really high scoring, so it was important to have those back-to-back 200 over blocks. Nick and BJ both made the cut, and BJ has to win 1 match, maybe 2, depending on who else wins. So yeah, let's get to it. We're gonna go watch Nick and BJ bowl match play top 16 portion right now. Better record this. And Nick looks at me and goes, I know. Who are you rooting for?
Bowling, both of them. I love this game.
Okay. With the boy.
I literally did. Yo, come on, D. All right, get him.
Get him, D.
All right, BJ.
Yeah, B.
There we go.
Still in this?
Really?
Come on, boy. Yeah, D.
Ain't got nothing on you.
Come on, Beach.
You guys are terrible. What ball's that?
IQ tour.
That's an IQ? It's bright.
It's very bright.
Yeah, why is it so blue? Black IQ tours were better.
I do have a black one. Should I throw the black one on the post?
Yeah, why is it blue?
Hi, BJ.
Why is it the same ball?
Did he color one with short?
All right, come on now.
Straight off the hook. 710.
That was sick.
That's why bowling sucks.
It's just such a Debbie Downer. That's literally physics, it's not luck.
That is not.
Ball speed. Low right break. Pen pop up.
I got one to the spot for a 10 pin and it struck, so I got to break the second frame.
Count 3. Pressure's on him.
I'm just bowling 3 for 3. I said it was a 3 to 5 games block that I bowled.
Yes. How'd it go?
It went great. Qualified 11th. I did say before we even started that you need to go 200 over a block to get there.
And that was about
And I missed that by 8 pins. But qualified 11th. Get a guy who straps on it, throws your thing, and throw it to the ditch. So not my best draw. I thought I threw it well enough to win, to be honest. The lanes got kind of squirrely. Carry sucked. But that's the nature of the game. I'll take a top 10 and a tier 3 to get some points and a nice catch. We got Scorpion tomorrow, so we're gonna build off of it. And a good start to the world champ, so.
All right, BJ, come on.
There's no way. Didn't make the right move on either of the pairs.
State University, please welcome Mr. Alec Keplinger.
Won the Rookie of the Year match.
He was like 66th in points.
They didn't used to give it out every year.
Dio Bernal.
They would only give it out when there was a Rookie of the Year. But if you
Indiana, please welcome Michael Slaybaugh.
No.
Everybody's got one.
No, Kyle.
got two.
Kyle has 2 and 1's a major. It's Kyle's right now.
It went that well for you, didn't it?
Yes. Yes, it did.
Showmaker.
Second chance Showmaker, which is, I'm not mad at it. Not mad. It's a little weird. So I don't really know. Yeah, love it. Love that for us. What do we have today? Darren first. I bowled well, but so did he. So every time I looked over in qualifying, because he was only 2 pairs down from me, he had 6 or 7 in a row. So everybody that bowled in this match play at some point, I'm sure, had 6 or 7 in a row every game. We squeaked by Darren, and then Mikey Schleball just raw dogged me. It was dumb. Yeah, it was left, right, didn't matter. He just did the right thing. Kudos to him though. He managed it well. He could have imploded, but man, he was ready for it. So hats off to him. Our Kingpin teammate coming through in the clutch for us. Marshall wins big. Lets me be the old number 5 seed. So don't know how I feel about it, but I'll take the show.